nice and beautiful. So basically I have some lamb chops which I marinated. I marinate them and I take them back from the freezer and defrost them. So I want to add a little bit more season to it to bring in a lovely some mint lamb. Look at this. All I'm going to do is get some more mint sauce, roughly about 1.5 tablespoons of mint sauce, and salt, little bit of lamb season. Alright, so what we're going to do is just rub it in. Alright, just rub it up like this. This is a lamb which I marinated already. You know, Chef Ricardo loves to make things look nice. Alright guys, now what I'm going to do is get a tray and place it in the tray like this. Beautiful. Once you place it in the tray, what you need to do is have some tomato. I'm going to be roast these tomato inside with the lamb. And they're really juicy tomato. So we got some red onion also. I'm gonna put up the side. Lovely. Just crack a little bit more salt. Just like that. And little bit of pepper. We're gonna roast this for roughly about 15 minutes. Alright, so now we're gonna pop this in the oven 15 minutes and we're gonna see. 15 minutes, good for this. So let's enjoy it, subscribe, leave your comments in the description box, and we're gonna roast this off in the oven. Enjoy the recipe guys. Nice and lovely. So that's the lamb, just finished. You cannot overcook lamb. Look at that beautiful lamb. Tomato which you roast off. You know what I mean, in this nice lovely lamb sauce in the bottom of it. But it's just beautiful. Never dried out and just moisture and nice. So basically the lamb take about 20 minutes, 25 minutes in the oven and a medium size heat. And that's exactly what I'm talking about. You guys can do the same thing at home. This can be served with rice, potato, roast potato, new potato. Whatever you name, you can have it with it. Take the time to say thank you guys for watching my show. Got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas will be coming. I'm Chef Ricardo on the team. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.